The botanical name is Elaeocarpus macroceros, and its habitat is medium to large size tree. And its habitat is tropical evergreen forest. It will be found only in tropical evergreen forest. And the stems, you can see, it is cylindrical with dirty white. The bark coarse in texture, and seeds are rounded, strongly tuber clad. Flowers are white in color, and flowering and fruiting season is March to June. And fruits are green, unripened, blue and blue ripened. In green, unripened means will be in green color, and if it comes to blue, it is ripened. The leaves are obovate, oblong, serrate, mature leaves turning red before falling. You can see this turning red before falling. Status is rare. It is found in year old. This species, Great Nicobar.
Leaf. Rare, red room, na? This one. This is red. Leaf is.
Before falling, it becomes red.
Before falling. After that, it will.
It will be dry. Means this all the reds, these are in the stage of falling. Means
before falling, the color will be changed.
And new leaves will be coming.
इस पे कुछ पका हुआ मिला सर सैंपल में?
है बीजा है.
रुद्राक्ष पेड़.
Rudraks generally found in Himalayas area.
Usually.
Other species.
Other states.
No, other species. Family is same, but species is different.
ருத்ராட்ச மரம் இலை விழுவதற்கு முன்னால் பழுத்து சிவப்பு நிறத்தில் இருக்கும். விழும்போது சிவப்பு நிறத்தில் விடும், அப்புறம் காய்ந்துடும். இது ஒரு தனி வகை ஸ்பெஷல் ஸ்பீசிஸ். திஸ் இஸ் ஸ்பெஷல் ஸ்பீசிஸ் ஹியர்.
दो मुखी. These are पांच मुखी.
The same plant. All
different tree.
Not this tree.
No, not this tree.
This tree seed is also.